morning, guys. So a lot of you have been asking for like a behind the scenes of the Luca intros. Now, I'm actually on set filming one as we speak, but I figured it would be a good time to give you a bit of insight.
I don't pay the time.
No, sorry, I'm just trying.
I don't hear it.
No.
Go to work. No.
Fine, I'm coming.
You're having a car.
Right, I can't talk now, guys. Right, I'm just going to play you the clips. This is what really happens behind the scenes.
I said ice water. This is room temperature. And action. Cut. I said get my good side. This is not my good side. Say again, but this time, say like you mean it. I don't care if you do it 50 times. It needs to be right. Did I ask for a professional? He's not a professional. I need to close up of these bad boys. Closer. I can't move under these conditions.
Good morning and welcome to another video. And now that you've witnessed the reality of making those Luca intros firsthand,
I said get my good side. This is not my good side.
I think we can all agree this video deserves a like, yeah? And while you're down there, if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe too. Anyway, everyone loves robots, yeah? Like Terminator, Robocop, vending machines, robots are the best. But I'm pretty sure I'm in possession of the greatest robot of them all. That's right, this little bad boy. So basically, backstory, a couple of years ago, a random company sent it to me. Obviously, I would never go out and buy a robotic Hoover with my own money because I'm not a complete pervert. But what I am is a complete idiot because I figured it would be a good idea today to let that Hoover control my life. So, yeah, let's get the video started. Oh, before we start, I know what you're thinking. It's not very friendly looking, is it? Not a problem. You're welcome. So weird. Okay, breakfast time. Why not come to Sainsbury's? You with me? Okay, we're in. This is going to be awkward. I need some breakfast. Good luck. And we're off. Could take a while. Breakfast is that way. That's the trolley. What are you doing? Right, so apparently robotic hoovers don't understand the concept of breakfast, so I've made things a little bit easier for the guy. What are you doing? Yeah, that's my foot. Does that count? It's a Hoover. Yeah. I'm just picking my breakfast at the moment. That's a good choice, Peter. Okay, so we've got, at the moment, I saw that, and then what did it pick? One of these, isn't it? Mama porridge. Coconut and chia porridge. Should we go those, or should we give it more options?
More options.
Just a Hoover. It's your everyday shopping spree. Here we go. Why does it love that so much? I mean, it's quite clearly made its mind up. Weird mama porridge and Kellogg's granola it is. Can't have breakfast without milk. Don't go through the gap. You're making a mockery of my video. I think the milk's too heavy, can't move it. Okay, new plan. The milk's too heavy for him to move, so I'm just going to try and go for the first one that he steers towards. I want to interfere. Just going in a straight line. What do you say? Well, review the footage and get back to you. So it turns out the Hoover chose the cocoa, dairy-free, unsweetened coconut milk. What an absolute gimp. Car's that way. Okay, breakfast is served. Now that looks pretty sick. Good choice, Hoover. That looks the opposite to sick, or it looks like sick in a literal sense. What in God's name is that? Dairy-free coconut and chia, no added sugar porridge. I'm going to try a bit now, but I'm just, what's the point? Because I know it's going to be horrible. Let's hear that noise quickly. That's disgusting. Like, no added sugar implies that there is some sugar. They haven't added any more. There's just no, it should just say no sugar at all because it's so bland. That tastes like hot water flavoured porridge. Like, that is absolutely vile. That, on the other hand, is sick. It's like crunchy nut cornflake flavoured granola. All over that. Review of the activities so far. First thing to note is that this smile is taking a hit. I've already had to reapply it once. Probably going to be a reoccurring theme of the day. And then also, we've noticed that when you put the Hoover and turn it on, a lot of the time it just goes in like a straight line, so I feel like wherever I point it, that's going to obviously determine where it goes. So we're going to have to either make a bigger circle of stuff or, like, I don't know, try and confuse it, blindfold it maybe. We'll figure out a plan to combat that. Update, I'm going to the gym because that's what I like to do most days. Now obviously the Hoover is controlling my life for the day, and therefore I'm going to let the Hoover control my session. It's going to be incredibly awkward, probably going to annoy some people. Let's make it happen. We're in. Okay, fairly empty right now, probably going to get busier. Music is incredibly loud, not ideal. Today's meant to be a back and bicep session, but obviously that's out of my hands. Off you go, mate. Turned off, awkward. Yeah, take time. I'm not even going to try and explain what's happening right now. It's just going in a straight line, what is it? Okay, that was a clear decision. Plate loaded chest press. I trained chest yesterday, that's not ideal. I just trained chest. Goodness sake, you're terrible at choosing exercises. Biceps. I mean, I was actually meant to be training biceps, so not too bad. What does that mean? Okay, so it's hit a 55 kilo dumbbell, still going, and a bench. Okay, so an upright, seated bench, 55 kilo dumbbells. I mean, I'm telling you now, I cannot shoulder press that much, so. What am I even going to do with these? I'm not even going to be able to get them up. No. Oh my god. Happy now? Are you joking? Just deliberately turn into this. A cross trainer. I've never used a cross trainer in my entire life. I don't even do cardio. I don't know how to use the machine. I'm just going to press start. Yeah. Good session. Literally feel myself building muscle as we speak. Okay, that was both incredibly awkward and the most pointless session of my entire life. Thanks a lot, Hoover. Let's go and get some lunch. We are out and about, and by we I mean me and my best friend, aka the Hoover. I'm freaking starving. We're in the local high street, so I figure that's going to be awkward. Let's just see what it does, yeah? It's a Hoover, a robotic Hoover, and it's currently choosing selecting what I do throughout the day.
And with the eyes?
No, I attach the eyes and do the mouth myself. To get more human characteristics, you know? CS Hair Studio, that is not a food place. Cars are an issue right now. Pixie of High. That is a clothes shop.
Hello, gentlemen.
It sounds weird, but today this Hoover is choosing everything I do.
Okay.
So, what do you fancy, mate? Okay, not talking. Can I please just get a double sausage egg McMuffin? Nice one, thanks mate.
Nice, thank you. Enjoy.
Okay, so came to the Sunshine Cafe because it's sick and the Hoover likes it. I got the sausage, what was it? Double sausage something? Double sausage
muffin.
Egg muffin. I wanted to say McMuffin because it's the same thing, but it's not McDonald's, it's a independent cafe. Some fries with some oh my god, it's leaking everywhere, with some ketchup. This is an absolute disaster. And then a pint of orange juice because micronutrients. Okay, let's eat. Lunch was good. Now I was thinking what kind of activity could I do to follow up lunch, and I remembered it's not my choice. Hoover's deciding. So we are currently in a trident. Is that the right word? Trident? No. Triumvirate. Basically the middle of three options. Here behind us we have the cricket and squash club. And over here we have a canal which has like boats down there. And then finally we have a bowls club. So and we also have sicko alert. Okay, three options. Hoover, up to you, my friend.
There's also tennis courts down there.
Doesn't count. Yeah, I mean, you can't go on the grass, but that's a pretty clear decision. Sick boat trip, and by sick I mean weird and awkward. Like, try explaining to a fairly old guy who runs a boat company why you need to A, hire a boat after they're closed, and B, carry a small robotic Hoover onto the boat with you. Yeah, that was not ideal. Anyway, I want to go out for dinner now. I feel slightly underdressed, so I'm going to let my good friend here pick my outfit. Now I know what you're thinking, Matt, how can a Hoover pick an outfit? No worries, guys. Of course it chose those. I do. I mean, what's better to wear out to dinner than a pair of pink hot pants?
One time.
What is happening? How is this? How is this my life at the moment? Okay, situation is, we've come to the services because I'm a considerate guy and I feel like the terrain is quite Hoover friendly, i.e. it's flat, so there's there's like maybe 4 food options. Let's put this bad boy down and see what it picks me for dinner. Okay, so this is weird. I mean, weird in the outfit. Today, I'm filming a video where this Hoover controls my life. Can I just get a 4-piece boneless dip meal, please? Food is up. I was gonna take it home just to get out of here, but I feel like, I mean, everyone's already seen me because I was waiting for about 10 minutes for the food, so I feel like the novelty's worn off and we're into the safe zone. I think you saw what I got, a Sprite, I basically got like a chicken focused meal. Going for the protein, you know? Chips, ketchup for dip. I'm gonna eat this and then just get out of here as quick as I can. You know, have you go or? Oh, sorry. Back home, hanging out with my new best friend, aka the Hoover, who says decided to customise with incredibly creepy eyebrows. Looks like the kind of Hoover who would kidnap you and hide you in his basement for like 6 years. Now, cover me in dust. It's come to the juncture in the video where we could carry on and do more Hoover-based things, or we could just sack it off because I can't be arsed. So I'm saying that, obviously that is a rhetorical question because the only person in this room with the authority to make that call is this guy. So let's let him do it. We've cleverly laid out a clear cut selection there. So Hoover.
What are you going to do if he like carries on and then just goes straight through? Play with Thomas.
I'll just dive through the window, shatter the glass and my face. But it'll be great entertainment. You ready for this?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
It's coming towards
Take 2. Awkward.